All right, so this is a quick review here for lemon flavor cream Oreos. Now, I didn't even know these existed, and I knew I had to try them because I had heard about them, and I said, let's try something different. Because they are lemon cream filled, which it really kind of adds a whole different flavor to it. It's kind of interesting because you can, generally what I do is I'll have this like with either tea or with coffee, but I don't put anything in my coffee, but I don't put anything in my tea. Because to me, these cookies are sweet enough to eat as is, but there's something about the lemon flavor that kind of goes along with even what you're drinking sometimes. Of course, you can eat them by themselves. Of course, you can have them with milk if you like. But let me just show you what the cookie looks like. It looks like your typical Oreo cookie, but I have to say, I like most things that are lemon. I guess I was skeptical at first because I'm used to the traditional Oreo cookie, so I thought, how can you top what's already good? Well, I have to say that this cookie itself might be one of the better cookies I've ever had. I like the regular traditional Oreo cookie, but this one in particular is good because if you do like a lemon zesty kind of flavor, I don't think it's overdone. I think it's light and just sweet enough, then this might be what you're looking for. I'll show you what it looks like. You bite into it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just a yellow cream filled flavor. Now, what you could do, make things interesting, if you're having, let's say, vanilla ice cream, you could take something like this and, crunch it up and then just sprinkle it on the ice cream, give it a little bit of texture. Maybe you're having some sort of pudding. Same idea. I'll take these and I'll crunch them up and I'll sprinkle them on the pudding. You can eat these just by themselves if you'd like. But if somebody's never had these before and you're introducing them to them and they like lemon, this is definitely a great option and something I would highly recommend.